College is ready. Today I have some visitors. I have to put some more. Okay. Let's start. Today I will have some visitors. I hope they will be happy with my meat. They usually are. That's it. Let's turn this. Wow. First round will be very short time. Pork ribs. This is the best. I put some wine wood in for taste. Wine wood is the best for smoke. Look at this. Wow. Another round. Wow. I hope visitors will be happy with this meat. Some chicken. Chicken is for cats. Cats must also enjoy. Some my birthday. First round is done. Now let's see the second. Again, this time only pork. Look at this size of meat. Wow. Hey, two of them. That's for now. Wow. Once more and it's done. Look at this. It is. Wow. That's it. Soon. Okay, the last round. We'll see. Wow, the few rounds was number one. We'll see about this.
Ei pili în cauză să ducă să ne rău.
Wow, that's all. Thank you. Voila. Close. That's it. The call will be for next time.